Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing it is that humans can reproduce and create new life? It's something that happens every day around the world, yet the intricacies of it are often overlooked. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of human reproduction. Human reproduction is a complex, multi-step process that's responsible for the continuation of our species. It's a journey that begins with the smallest cells in our bodies and results in the creation of an entirely new human being. It's a process that's as intricate as it is incredible. Understanding the ins and outs of human reproduction isn't just for students studying biology. It's an essential part of understanding ourselves as human beings and the world we inhabit. The more we know about it, the more we can appreciate the miracle of life. So how does this incredible process happen? Let's dive in. Every new life begins with two types of sex cells, sperm and eggs. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these microscopic architects of life. In males, sperm cells are produced in the testes, while in females, eggs or ovum are created in the ovaries. These cells are quite remarkable, not just for their role in reproduction, but because they are unique in their genetic makeup. Unlike most cells in our bodies, which carry a full set of 46 chromosomes, sperm and egg cells carry only half, that's 23 chromosomes each. This half set is crucial because when a sperm and an egg meet, they combine their genetic material, creating a new cell with a full set of chromosomes. This is the very first cell of a potential new being. These cells are the building blocks of a new life. But how do they meet? The journey of a sperm cell is a remarkable one, full of challenges and obstacles. Let's delve into this amazing voyage that begins with the process of ejaculation. During this process, millions of sperm cells are released, each with one singular mission: to reach and fertilize an egg. Imagine a marathon, but instead of a few hundred participants, there are millions. And instead of running on a straightforward track, they are navigating through a complex, intricate maze that is the female reproductive system. First, they must survive the acidic environment of the vagina, which is inhospitable to these microscopic swimmers. Then, they must ascend the cervix, a narrow passage that only the strongest and most determined can traverse. It's like climbing Mount Everest, but on a microscopic scale. Next, they must travel through the uterus, a vast chamber full of nourishing but also challenging environments. This is a crucial crossroads where many sperm cells lose their way, but the most resilient continue the journey. And then, the final stretch, the fallopian tubes. It's here that the egg awaits fertilization. But remember, out of millions of sperm cells, only one can claim victory. Only one can breach the outer layers of the egg and accomplish its mission. But this journey isn't just about physical endurance, it's also about perfect timing. The egg is only viable for a short period, about 24 hours after ovulation. Therefore, the sperm need to reach their destination within this narrow window of time. It's a race against the clock, and against millions of other competitors. Each sperm cell is genetically unique, carrying half of the DNA required to create a new life. So, it's not just a race for survival, but a race for the continuation of our species. This journey is a race against time and against millions of other sperm. But what happens when a sperm reaches its destination? Well, that's a story for another scene. For now, let's marvel at the resilience and determination of these tiny cells on their epic journey of life. The moment a sperm cell fertilizes an egg is a defining moment in human reproduction. This is the instant when life begins to take shape, where two separate cells become one, and the blueprint for a new human being is formed. Let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating process. Fertilization occurs when a sperm cell successfully penetrates the outer layer of the egg. This triggers a change in the egg's membrane, preventing other sperm cells from entering. It's a race, and the fastest swimmer takes the prize. Once the sperm cell is inside the egg, their respective nuclei, each carrying half the genetic material needed for a full set of chromosomes, merge. This unique combination of genes will determine the traits of the new individual, from eye color to height, even to some aspects of personality and intelligence. This single cell, now known as a zygote, embarks on an incredible journey. It begins to divide rapidly, initially forming a ball of cells, then a hollow structure called a blastocyst. Around a week after fertilization, the blastocyst reaches its destination, the uterus. Here, it implants itself into the uterine lining, marking the start of pregnancy. This is a critical step, as the uterus will provide the necessary nutrients and environment for the embryo to develop. In the subsequent weeks, the blastocyst develops into an embryo. It's during this stage that the major organs and body systems start to form. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo has a beating heart, forming limbs, and even the beginnings of facial features. From then on, we refer to it as a fetus. The fetus continues to grow and develop in the womb for approximately 40 weeks. This period, known as gestation, culminates in childbirth, the moment when the new life is introduced to the world. This is how a new human life begins. It's a process that's as complex as it is beautiful, and in understanding it, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life and the intricate mechanisms that make it possible. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of human reproduction. We've unraveled the mystery of life, starting with the pivotal role of sex cells. These microscopic powerhouses, the egg and sperm, are the first stepping stones in the journey of life. We then followed the intrepid journey of the sperm, a voyage filled with challenges and hurdles as it raced to reach its destination, the egg. It's a journey that is as fascinating as it is crucial, a testament to the resilience and tenacity of life itself. And finally, we delved into the process of fertilization and pregnancy. We saw how the fertilized egg embarks on its own journey, transforming from a single cell into a complex organism in a matter of months. It's a process that is simply awe-inspiring, a testament to the miracle of life. Remember, every human life begins with this incredible process. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.